So you're a live streamer, you want to sell merch, but you don't know where to start. I'm going to tell you a few of my little tricks that I use. Hopefully help you sell more things. We've all been there. You're live streaming, you're thinking, I want to sell merch or do something so I can make some profit off the stream. But what do I do? Just make a logo and slap it on 10,000 shirts? Do I write some funny words and put it on a shirt? But where do I go? Where I have Streamlabs, Stream Elements designed by humans, Redbubble, Teespring, and the list goes on and on and on and on and on. I've been through, I'd say about 90% of them. I'll be honest with you, the one that I tended to favor the most was designed by humans. Now, the other ones, they're okay, but they either lack the variance or they take too much money out of your pocket. If you're like me, I like putting a lot more money in my pocket. So the reason why I decided designed by humans is because of A, the variance, and B, when someone searches something on the site, you have a chance of being discovered of your art being up there. Now, I'll also tell you some few tricks, but stay till the end of the video and I'll tell you which apps to use. I could put my my logo on a lot of different products and that would sell because people watch me, they want to support my logo. Newsflash, you're not Nike. You're not Under Armour or anyone like that. You may have a good logo. What you have to do is think outside the box. Create designs that somebody passing by would be, I would wear it. So these are the few designs that are my top sellers that I've done. And you'll notice something between them. A lot of them are typography. There's a few designs in there, but typography, something relatable, something that other fellow gamers will look at and go, yep, I relate to that, gets it, I'm going to rock that. People get what I'm talking about. Now, I use Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, but there's Affinity Designer, and right now, as of 5/8, they're doing a promo where you get an extended trial of it, and then their app is a one-time purchase, not subscription based. So yeah, that's right, one-time purchase, and it's yours. Uh, they offer a lot of different courses on there. There's a big community there, but it's great. Now, the other apps that I use is going to be WordSwag and Typorama. Anyways, they're both on Android and Apple, and you can use those apps to do some cool typography designs just off of your phone alone. Think outside of the box. The great thing about Design by Humans as well is whenever you're doing your products, you can actually go through and do what we like to call SEO, search engine optimization. So if you tag it as gamer or a character or say Twitch, Mixer, etc., like I said, you have to think of using your keywords that's going to make you discoverable. People will go there, you have your own site, and it looks professional in my opinion. The other thing is they also have a Twitch extension so people can shop directly off of your store while never leaving your stream. Depending on your sales, you can sell more things. Now, the cons of it is that you don't have as many products available to you. Like, you don't have hats at the beginning of it, but you can work up toward that. After a while, you are selling a lot of products and everything else. The next thing I'm going to tell you is to use Shopify. Now, the con with Shopify is there's a monthly fee for it. And there is an app out there to give you stream alerts to send them to your stream, which is great for social proof. Designed by Humans does the same thing. But the cool thing about Shopify is you start going to drop shipping. The same exact thing that Designed by Humans does, but now you get to work with other companies and push more products. Say you've wanted to sell headphones, or say you wanted to sell body pillows or blankets. You now have that option. Shopify is taking your brand to the very next level. You're running it like a business. You will have marketing, you will have emails, you will have the ability to sell off of Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok. So when you're ready, Shopify would be the next level. But starting out, I'm going to recommend Designed by Humans and those two apps. Hopefully this video helps you get a little glimpse of being able to take your designs to the next level and sell more things. But let me know what you design. Send me some links. Follow me on Twitter. Talk to me on Twitch. If you're lucky, I might even do a design that you guys out there can sell and just to have and sell. Let me know how it does. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching Streamerology. You can find our streamcast on Mondays. You can find me over at twitch.tv/badmerc.